Well, good morning, everyone. This is Greg Finn, Camel River Guide Service, and welcome to another edition of Camel River Fishing. We're happy that you're able to join us today, and I really appreciate all your comments and all you guys out there subscribing. I hope you enjoy the program. Today, we're obviously going to do some more of that crappie fishing. We're on a Saturday. We got a lot of boats on the water, people pre-fishing tournaments and fishing tournaments, and people getting away because they're tired of being at home. But I don't care. This is Neil Ryden is with us today again from Houston, Texas, and he has his son Cody. And back here we have Jennifer. So we're looking forward to fishing with them, and we'll show you at the end of the program how we did. So until then, sit back, enjoy the show. This is Greg Finn, and remember, this is Camel River Guide Service. Right there. Got him? Come on in with him. That's what we want right there. We need about 75
flings. My goodness. Wow.
No, you need to get the rod down. Are you fishing?
Oh, she got him.
She got him.
Good. Oh, nice. Good.
That's good. Pick it straight up. Pick it straight up. Pick it straight up like this right here. Nope, right here.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Pick the rod straight in there. There you go, bro. That way it comes in.
Get one?
Yeah.
Woo!
That's a pretty good one.
Good job.
Yes, sir.
You want my picture? I'm just kidding.
There she
there you
is.
go,
She
Jen.
got a good one there. Oh man, we got.
Come up. Come up. Got it?
Over strike zone right there. Bam! That's why we're going to catch them right there, I guess. I can do it. If y'all be patient enough, I can do it.
Damn, that's a big one.
But that's what we're going to have to do. Come on, y'all. Pitch it out there.
Wow, that's a picture.
Pitch it out there. They ain't straight down. You got there's one. Inside. Huh?
Yeah.
All right. That's what we want. Just let me get them.
How deep are you?
You did everything just right there. I just didn't follow
Neil, how
you.
deep
I
are you?
was 15 and just letting it drop down in.
Hit it right there. Hit it. Come up just a little bit. Ah, dang!
Wow, did you
I
see?
caught that fish.
You did.
I caught that fish. I guarantee you, I caught that fish. You wouldn't have caught it.
I agree. If I
had her get on to you though about getting her down. Don't think I'm fussing at y'all now. I'm just trying to help you catch fish. Yeah, baby. Here's another big one. Triples.
Neil, there's mine.
Look here. Look at these three right here. Y'all should all hold them up and take pictures of them, all three of them. Those are triples right
Let's
there.
go, Jen.
Got it.
You got one. That's the size you want. I'd rather have 40 of them than 70 big little bitty ones.
Yeah, let's look at that purple or red over it.
Should be all right. Pick it up a little bit, maybe. There you go.
Cool, man.
Got him, man.
Oh, man.
You still got him?
Click it over and reel it in.
Oh, I do have it.
You still got him?
Oh,
Come on in there with him.
Cover's going real so high.
sorry. I didn't do the...
Oh no! Oh boy, that's a good one there. You went below him, and see he caught that one, and there goes the rest of them. They took off. 5 of them just took off. 5 of them just took off. They're gonna let it drift back to you. Pick it up. Be too deep. Pick it up. Reel up. Whoa, right there. Let down.
Got one.
That's a good fish.
About like 10 or 11.
There he is. It ain't hard if I can, but it's hard for me to give you that specific direct, because a lot of times these fish will come, you know. Y'all do it again. They're sitting there waiting on you. There's one right there. They ain't little. Get a picture right there. See how much it weighs.
The mouth of that.
See how much it weighs. Kind of poor.
Kind of skinny.
185. 185, folks. But he's inches.
Flip it up, Jim. Flip it up.
I don't know where that come from. I really don't, man. He's wearing them out. He's wearing them out today. A lot of fish right in here. Everybody ought to be catching them. Everybody ought to be catching fish all in.
Just reel it and move it up, or keep moving it, or something.
Triples, baby. We got them.
Changing the depth of where
We got them.
That was 3.
3 of them right there. 4 of them.
Oh, she got it.
4 of them. They're right there. I got you on them right
Nice,
there. Start looking at that in there.
That awesome.
Man, he is big too.
That's a big one too.
That's a big
Holy
black.
shit.
The other one you got was a white crappie. That's a black right there.
He shot right in there. Whew. Damn.
Pretty good fish.
Does anybody need a cracker?
Oh, there you go.
I missed my fish. Sure did. 2 more. Yeah. Just another little nothing stump. Doesn't work? Yeah, I believe we'll, won't it? Yeah, it worked. Pretty good fish, people. Pound and a 3/4, and we got a whole box full of them in there. I think they ended up about 55 right there. It was a kind of a tough day. There were 3 of them fishing, but they're happy because most of them were big. You know, they're a little bit bigger crappie than normal. So we enjoyed having our group out here today. We're gonna close this box and get on the road here, and I'd like to have you come on out and join us. Go to my website, www.camelriverguideservice.com, or you can call me 936-229-2370. I'll do my best to put you on fish like this each and every day. And this wraps up a whole week, Monday through Saturday this week. So today's Saturday. Hey, guess what? I get a day off tomorrow. So come on out tomorrow. Next week we'll do it all over again. And you can watch us, or you can come on out here and be a part of it. Until next time, keep your powder dry and your lines wet, and grin every now and then. I'm telling you, it's good for you. Hey, this is Greg Finn, and this is Camel River Guide Service. Y'all say goodbye, folks.